Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. This is just quick review on this ball joint set or the press which I just used on 2003 Volkswagen Golf dealing with the lower arm. You can see that video on this channel. You can see all these different adapters, right? The receiver, this is the pressing part, and as I said, different sizes of adapters. It's basically these three. Obviously, three adapters are not enough, so if you want to have a full range for everything what can be on your car, you might need another part, which is the, how they call it, master technician ball joint set of adapters, something like that. You can purchase it separately. This whole thing comes in this box and in this plastic carrying case, let's say, so I will be putting it back in just a second. As I said, I used that on that Golf, was able to push out and install two different rubber bushings, actually, not the ball joints. One of the bushings was completely rubber and the other one had that steel ring. Both of them went out and then back in without any problem. Using this, obviously you can use the ratchet with the socket. Then you need a breaker bar when it's really start pushing or pulling out, right? Ideally you have either electric impact, right? Or you have your compressor with the impact tool. And here you can see it ready to be put away for storage. The prices vary, right? If you look around, these things cost from $80 to easily $400. This one is from Harbor Freight. I believe I paid $80. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See ya.